Hello dear student, we are studying JEMCQ and today's topic is the expression for capillary rise is given by when sigma equals to surface tension, theta equals to angle of contact and rho equals to density. We have to find the what is capillary rise. For options given, H equals to 4 sigma sin theta by rho GD, B H equals to 4 sigma cos theta by rho GD, C H equals to 2 sigma sin theta by rho GD, and D H equals to 2 sigma cos theta by rho GD. We have to find the what is correct option for capillary rise. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2014, which is from fluid mechanics. So for solving this problem, we take a vessel in which liquid is poured. So we can say that is in vessel a fluid is poured and this one is fluid level, that is suppose this one is water level, and one tube is insert in the vessel and this is meniscus of tube at which water level is rises. So this rises in water level is called, this one is meniscus of tube, and this water level rises is called rise in height of water level, and it is also called capillary rises. So now we find the what is capillary rises. Now in the liquid drop, inside the liquid drop tube and outside pressure, in the outside pressure in the liquid drop, that is P node, that is convex pressure, and inside the liquid drop pressure will be P node plus 2 sigma by R, and this side is called concave side. So in the concave side pressure is more 2 sigma by R from the convex side. So P node here, P node is equals to atmospheric pressure, then P convex equals to P node and P concave equals to P node plus 2 sigma by R. Therefore change in pressure in liquid drop is equals to P concave minus P convex is equals to P node plus 2 sigma by R minus P node, and it is equals to change in pressure in liquid drop. So change in pressure in liquid drop, that is del P. Del P is equals to 2 sigma by R, where R is equals to radius of meniscus, and this is the same case for rise in tube, capillary rise in tube. This same case will apply in the capillary rise in tube. So now in tube, this is the meniscus of tube. So above the meniscus of tube the pressure will be P node and it is will be concave side of meniscus. So in the convex side of meniscus will be the pressure will be less the 2 sigma by R. So P node minus 2 sigma by R in the pressure on convex side. So here in convex side pressure equals to P node minus 2 sigma by R. Let H equals to height of liquid rise, that is we can say capillary rise. Now we take 3 points in the water level X, Y and Z. So we can see in the these 3 points are in same level. Now we find the pressure at point Y. So at point Y, Py is equals to P node minus 2 sigma by R plus rho GH, because the pressure will increase at along the depth of rise or depth of liquid. So Py will be P naught minus 2 sigma by R plus rho Gs. Now at point X, the atmospheric pressure will be act. So Px equals to only P naught and Pz is equals to P naught also, because here also atmospheric pressure will be act. So Px and Pz equals to P naught. Since Px, Py and Pz are in same level, so Px equals to Py equals to Pz equals to P naught. Here for point y, Py equals to P naught, and another equation is Py equals to P naught minus 2 sigma by R plus rho Gs. Now we will equate the equation, then P naught equals to P naught minus 2 sigma by R plus rho Gs. So here rho Gh equals to 2 sigma by R, then H equals to 2 sigma by R rho G. So here capillary rise will be H equals to 2 sigma by R rho G, but here R is radius of meniscus. Now we have to find the in terms of radius of tube for capillary rise. So now we find the radius of tube. Here R is equals to radius of meniscus. For finding the radius of tube, we draw a meniscus in again. So this one is meniscus of tube and this is the radius of tube, and when we see the from above, so this is water level at which liquid rise, and this capital R is meniscus of tube form an angle theta, and this theta is angle of contact. Here theta is equals to angle of contact, and small r is radius of tube. So we consider now here is d equals to diameter of tube. When we consider in triangle OAB, then cos theta is equals to b by h. So in triangle OAB, cos theta is equals to small r by capital R. Therefore radius of tube will find. So capital R is equals to R by cos theta. Now we put the value of R. So as is equals to 2 sigma cos theta by R rho G. Now in the options given in the term of diameter. So when put the R equals to d by 2, then as is equals to 4 sigma cos theta by rho GD. This is for formula of capillary rise. So which is given H equals to 4 sigma cos theta by rho GD. So option B is correct. H equals to 4 sigma cos theta by rho GD. The expression for capillary rise is given by when sigma equals to surface tension, theta equals to angle of contact, and rho equals to density. Answer option B, H equals to 4 sigma cos theta by rho GD. So today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.